beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword. Swinging blades at these scrubs. Bitches flock like bugs to the light. Getting right. Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got a type. Off top, bullshitting. All I needed was a mic. Yeah. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster. Isn't it lovely?
We want to start off with the party machine move. We're going to kick out with the right leg, hop onto the left leg. We're going to do the move twice. So we're going to kick with the right and kick with the left. A little bit like this. 1 and 2 and. Once we've landed back onto that left leg, all right, we have this right leg up in the air. We're going to step forward onto the right and slide. Yeah? Basically, this left leg is dragging in, okay? So I'm sliding in, just like that. As I slide in, I pull my hands in front of my body here like this, and I bring it down the side of my chest, all the way down. So from cross to open to down in one fluid movement. Boom and down, boom and down, okay? So we add in the slide forward, yeah? From an angle, slide, okay? Add that onto the top, we have